How good is your Spanish? Let's find out. In this quiz, you'll see 100 basic Spanish words, and you have to choose the correct answer. Let's see how many you can get right. Let's begin. How do you say dog?
Perro.
How do you say sun?
Sol.
How do you say bread?
Pan.
How do you say car?
Coche.
How do you say house?
Casa.
How do you say bed?
Cama.
How do you say book?
Libro.
How do you say girl?
Niña.
How do you say green?
Verde.
How do you say egg?
Huevo.
How do you say cow?
Vaca.
How do you say fish?
Pez.
How do you say head?
Cabeza.
How do you say eye?
Ojo.
How do you say pants?
Pantalón.
How do you say key?
Llave.
How do you say school?
Escuela.
How do you say river?
Río.
How do you say snow?
Nieve.
How do you say fire?
Fuego.
How do you say lion?
León.
How do you say tea?
Té.
How do you say door?
Puerta.
How do you say bicycle?
Bicicleta.
How do you say star?
Estrella.
How do you say money?
Dinero.
How do you say cheese?
queso,
How do you say duck?
pato,
How do you say street?
calle,
How do you say gloves?
guantes,
How do you say nose?
nariz,
How do you say backpack?
mochila,
How do you say rain?
lluvia,
How do you say piano?
piano,
How do you say plate?
plato,
How do you say fish?
pescado,
How do you say forest?
bosque,
How do you say salty?
salado,
How do you say window?
ventana,
How do you say grape?
uva,
How do you say dolphin?
delfín,
How do you say shoe?
zapato,
How do you say toy?
juguete,
How do you say knife?
cuchillo,
How do you say elephant?
elefante,
How do you say soup?
sopa,
How do you say clock?
reloj,
How do you say island?
isla,
How do you say leaf?
hoja,
How do you say hat?
gorro,
How do you say bed?
cama,
How do you say baby?
bebé,
How do you say cake?
pastel,
How do you say mouth?
boca,
How do you say pineapple?
piña,
How do you say jacket?
chaqueta,
How do you say spider?
araña,
How do you say honey?
miel,
How do you say butterfly?
mariposa,
How do you say ship?
barco,
How do you say lamp?
lámpara,
How do you say bone?
hueso,
How do you say orange?
naranja,
How do you say hammer?
martillo,
How do you say bottle?
botella,
How do you say soap?
jabón,
How do you say towel?
toalla,
How do you say kangaroo?
canguro,
How do you say sky?
cielo,
How do you say bridge?
puente,
How do you say doctor?
doctor,
How do you say drawer?
cajón,
How do you say finger?
dedo,
How do you say sand?
arena,
How do you say bag?
bolsa,
How do you say radio?
radio,
How do you say map?
mapa,
How do you say zero?
cero,
How do you say fruit?
fruta,
How do you say bear?
oso,
How do you say balloon?
globo,
How do you say skateboard?
patineta,
How do you say umbrella?
Paraguas.
How do you say shark?
Tiburón.
How do you say camera?
Cámara.
How do you say rocket?
Cohete.
How do you say watermelon?
Sandía.
How do you say trophy?
Trofeo.
How do you say rainbow?
Arcoíris.
How do you say lighthouse?
Faro.
How do you say donut?
Dona.
How do you say anchor?
Ancla.
How do you say tent?
Tienda.
How do you say ladybug?
Mariquita.
How do you say rabbit?
Conejo.
How do you say tomato?
Tomate.
How do you say guitar?
Guitarra.
How do you say lemon?
Limón.
How do you say microphone?
Micrófono.
How do you say telescope?
Telescopio.
Great job! Now you're ready for the next challenge. Click here for the next video and keep improving your Spanish. See you in the next one.